A woman making weird clicking and deep voices sound during live broadcast. She then fainted and sent to hospital. She realized some mysterious guy stalking her, so she escaped. One of the guys caught up on her and keep banging her car into a moving train. After several attempts from the guy, the car was then being dragged by the train. They came out of their car and tried to climb on a train ladder, but the guy was shooting at them and a train coming towards them as well. Luckily, she jumped onto that guy at the last second and avoided the train and the guy as well. They then came to one quieter place, but one fox suddenly appeared behind her. The fox stared at the girl before running away. Two fire trucks came and took them away into a warehouse. After getting out of the truck, she looked into the people's eyes one by one and immediately know what's their name and their stories. She then spotted something familiar. It's the house she lived in with her parents when she was a kid. She ran inside the house and cried behind the door. She looked around and everything looked exactly the same. She then went to see her bedroom. They took out a metal bar from a highly secured suitcase and put it on their hands. The woman then recalled then, when was still a kid, some animals strangely appeared in her room one night. The man shouted at the girl to not follow as they were not animals.